I do like 3 kind of tasks, and 2 is easy, and 1 is medium. And the first test is a bug issue. Fix the file attachment and or delete when removed from a review request. I add some function in the base file attachment as when the file attachment review request does not exist, neither file attachment inactive review request exists. That means it's not published. So before we add the draft, just we delete the file attachment and return the URL. I do some manual test. After manual test, I also add the unit test. For this, I changed the previous unit test to the check the test delete file without published, and I also add some the delete file with published. In without published, we can see it's not found in the file attachment and the inactive file attachment. In the delete file with published, we can see it can find in the inactive file attachment and it does not exist in the file attachment. And here I can do some example. You can see this file is being published. So and this file is not being published. So we can delete the both. The first one we delete is have been published. Then we reload the URL, and we can see its review request as draft. And we delete this is not being published, and I think the page is not found. Then we success, and I can show you the unit test. The second thing I do is very easy project. Is I add the six test case in the site configure test, and it's all about site configure the default or the reject key, set reject key and get reject key things. And I can show you in the unit test. Yeah, it's passed. Oh, it's all passed. I added from the number 8 to the 14. Then the last project is medium project. It's the extension test framework. And firstly, it's in the process. And firstly, is the test runner in the Drupal. It's much similar as the RB test runner in the reviewboard, but I do some little change. And secondly, I add the test extension in the reviewboard. I also add the extension test case mixing. It's provide setup and kill down for the extension test case. I do several the enable reject or test enable or reject test, and also do some more hook test in these 4 hook, and the others not being tested. Is in the process. I can show you the result. And it could be a little bit slow because I design is to test each extension. That's all I do in the last month.